Transforming defense industry operations with PowerApps and Excel. The defense industry faces complex challenges, but our customized solution demonstrates the power of innovation. We assessed the needs of a prominent defense contractor and created a tailored solution. Microsoft PowerApps and Excel offer robust data management and analysis capabilities when integrated. Our team designed and implemented a PowerApps Excel solution to optimize data utilization. Custom applications were developed using PowerApps, incorporating Excel for data-related functions. The outcome was a unified system with extensive data integration and practical insights. The implementation resulted in remarkable improvements in operational efficiency. Manual labor was reduced, potential errors were eliminated, and decision-making was accelerated. Operational efficiency improved by 35%, time spent on data management and analysis reduced by. Client feedback was positive, highlighting the unparalleled efficiency and accuracy of the solution. Moving forward, further research is recommended to expand upon these findings and explore additional areas of optimization. This success story underscores the potential of technology to transform various sectors. Contact us to discover how our innovative Microsoft solutions can optimize your operations. Consulting@iswasoc.com